how you can make your Instagram profile searchable by your phone number. Now this is a very simple process. So before moving on to it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a like below, and then also press the bell icon. Now let's just start with the video. So first, let's open your Instagram. Now after opening your Instagram, go to your profile. Now there you will need to click on the top three on the top right. After you've clicked on your top right, you will need to go to your account center. After you've gone to your account center, go to your information and permissions. In your information and permissions, you will need to upload your contacts. After you've uploaded your contacts, what you will need to do is you will need to sync your contact, and then under your personal details, you will need to add your contact info with your mobile number. After you add your mobile number after you add your mobile number, what you will need to do is you need to refresh your account. After you've done so, you need to switch your account to another Instagram profile, and then if you go to your search bar and then type in your phone number, your profile should come up. Now that is how you make your profile searchable by your phone number. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and then I will see you guys. Bye bye.